Hello students, today we are going to learn second lesson of mathematics of 7th standard. Name of the lesson is multiplication and division of integers. Before going to the new lesson, we have to see what you have learned about the integer in last class. Last class you have learned about the integers, which are the integers, how to show the integers on the number line, comparison of integer, addition and subtraction of integer, which are the opposite number that you have learned. So let's take a look at them. What are the integers? Integers are nothing but the collection of positive numbers, negative numbers with 0. So in the integer there are the positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. We can show integers on number line. So how to show on number line? This is a number line. Center is 0. Right hand side there are the positive number and left hand side there are the negative number at same interval. So this number line shows the integer. We can compare the integer on the number line. As you go to the right hand side, the numbers are becoming bigger. As you go to the left hand side, numbers are becoming smaller. So if you compare +1 and +4 is a bigger number as it is at the right hand side. If you compare -2 and +3 is at the right hand side, so +3 is bigger and -2 is lying at the left hand side, so this one is a smaller one. And all the negative numbers are smaller than the 0 and all positive numbers. So all all negative numbers are smaller. Then after comparison you have learned which are the opposite number. Opposite number means the numbers which are lying from the 0 at same units on the right hand side and left hand side. Suppose you have seen the +3, this number and this number. So they are lying from the 0 at same units at the opposite direction. So here -3 and +3 are called the opposite number. So there are so many pairs of the opposite numbers. Now next one, you have learned how to add the integers on the number line. To add the positive integer, we have to go to the right hand side from the given number. To add the negative number, we have to go to the left hand side from the given number. This is the way how you have learned to add the numbers, add the integers on the number line. Then we have seen the two rules to add and subtract the integers. Let's revise that rule. What is the first rule says that when adding integers with same sign, ignore their sign and add the values and give same sign to their sum. This is the first rule. When adding the integer with the same sign, ignore their sign and add the values and give the same sign to their sum. Now, suppose I have taken the two integer. First I will take the two integer that is positive. So +5 and +3. You can see here both the integer having the same sign, that is a plus sign. So you add the values. 5 plus 3 will give us 8 and same sign plus. Now if I have taken the example -10 plus -2. Here both numbers are negative. So add the values 10 plus 2, it becomes 12 and the same sign minus, so you will get the answer -12, -12. This is the first rule. Now we will see the second rule. Second rule says that when adding here sign and find out difference. Find out difference between them. Difference between that two number. And at last, and give bigger number sign or sign of bigger number. Bigger number sign to difference. This is a rule for addition of the integer with a different sign. Now I will take example plus 5 and minus 3. You can see here two integers are, first one is a positive, second one is a negative. So first we have to find out the difference. So 5 and 3 difference is 2 and bigger number is 5. So what is the sign of 5? That is a plus. So our answer is plus 2. Now second example, minus 8 plus 2. Here 8 is a negative number and 2 is a positive number. Both are having the different sign. So just find out the difference between 8 and 2, that is 6, and bigger number sign is negative. So our answer is negative 6. These two rules you have learned to add the integer. Now after that you have learned the rule to do the subtraction. Let's see what is that rule says. Subtraction rule. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. This is a rule which we are using for subtraction of the integer. Now let's take the example. Suppose 7 minus 2. Here 7 is a positive number. From the positive number we have to subtract the negative number. So take the negative numbers opposite. So what is the opposite of minus 2? The opposite of the minus 2 is positive 2. So we have to add the positive 2. So answer is 9. Now minus 4 minus 2. Here you can say that now here minus 4 minus 2. So this 2 is a positive number, minus sign outside. So negative of the 2 is a minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 gives us minus 6. So what we have to do, when we have to do the subtraction, the second number's opposite number we have to add to the first number and get the answer. Students, I want to tell you some small story. Listen that story carefully. There were 4 friends, Mayuri, Sushant, Snehal and Kalpana. They used to go to school on bicycle. One day, Mayur's bicycle got punctured on the way back from the school and she did not have enough money to repair it. So that time her friend Sushant, Snehal and Kalpana, they helped Mayuri and they lent 5 rupees each to Mayuri. So Mayuri borrowed 5 rupees from each, that is Mayuri borrowed the 15 rupees from them and got repaired her bicycle. In this story, you have seen that Mayuri has borrowed some money. In the mathematics, when you have to show the borrowed money or the debt, for that we are using the negative numbers. From the integer, which are the negative number that we are using to show the debt or the borrowed money. So, in this story, we can say that Mayuri had negative 50 rupees. Why? Because addition of the negative 5 again and again, that is called the repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition, that you know. So how to arrange that? You can write it as minus 5 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. So multiplied by 3, it will give us minus 15. Of course, Mayuri has given back that money, paid back that money to her friends the next day. Now, friends, last year, up to last year, you have learned how to do the multiplication and division of the whole numbers. To do the multiplication and division of the whole number, we are using the multiplication table. That multiplication table we have learned from the primary classes that are useful to do the multiplication and division. But now, when you have to learn the multiplication and division of the integer, just we will try to find out the multiplication tables of the negative number, because positive numbers multiplication tables you are knowing. So let's try to find out the multiplication tables. For that, we have to use this rule only. So here, negative number multiplied by positive number, you are getting the negative product. So again, if you multiply minus 3 multiplied by 2, you will get the minus 6. If you multiply minus 4 multiplied by 5, 4 5s are 20, you will get the minus 20. Minus 7, if you multiply by the 2, you will get the 7 to the 40 and minus 40. Then minus 8 multiplied by 3, you will get minus 24. So these products show you that multiplication of the negative number with the positive number, you are getting the negative product. Now we start the framing the multiplication tables of the negative number. First we will try the multiplication table of the minus 4. For that, first I will draw the number line to show the integer. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4, positive number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Now, we are forming the multiplication table of the 4. Multiplication table of minus 4. 4's multiplication table you know. We will start from the multiplying by the positive number. Okay. First we will go from the positive number. So from the 0 we are going to the positive number. So first by 0, multiplication by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, it will give us 0. So same rule is here. Then minus 4 multiplied by plus 1 gives us minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 2, that gives us minus 8. Minus 4 multiplied by 3 gives us 12. Negative 12. Now, if you see here, our multiplier of the minus 4, multiplier of the minus 4 is increases. As it is increases, its product is decreases. Because minus 4 and minus 2, minus 4 and minus 8, if you compare, the minus 8 is a smaller number. And compared to the minus 8, minus 12 again smaller. So here product is decreasing. Means what? As the multiplier of minus 4 is increases, the product of this multiplication is decreases by unit of 4. Unit of 4 means each time it is decreases by the 4 unit. Here minus 4 it is decreased by the 4 unit, means it becomes minus 8. Minus 8 decreases by the 4 unit, means it becomes the minus 12. Now we are going to the left hand side, that is the negative part. Now minus 4 multiplied by 0, you know 0. Now I will go to the left hand side. Minus 4 multiplied by, first one is a minus 1. Here we will get the plus 4. Then minus 4 multiplied by minus 2, you will get here plus 8. and minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, here you are getting the plus 12. Now in this multiplication you can see that our multiplier becomes smaller and smaller, it decreases. Minus 1, minus 2 is less than minus 1, minus 3 is less than minus 2. So here our multiplier decreases, and see the product, here product is increases by unit of 4. 4 become 8, 8 become 12. So what you have to write here as the multiplier of minus 4 is decreases, the product of multiplication of this multiplication increases by unit 4. This is the same pattern is followed in the both of these multiplication. So from this you can write the multiplication table of the 4. Similarly, we try the multiplication, framing the multiplication table of 5. I have written that multiplication table here, which we have framed now. Now see, same pattern we have to follow for the minus 5. So negative 5. First we will take the negative number, that is a minus 3. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 1. Multiplier is, look that multiplier is increases. So here minus 5 multiplied by 0. Here our multiplier is increases. Now it is decreases. It is increases here again. So all the multipliers are increases. So what we got? We got here 15. 5 3s are 15. Here 10. Then 5. 0. Minus 5. Minus 10. 5 2s are 10. And 5 3s are 15. So like this multiplication table can be formed. So at home you try to form the multiplication table of up to the 10. That is a minus 4 I have completed. So you can start from the minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, up to that which you can make, that you try and make the multiplication tables. Now actually we have to learn how to do the multiplication of integer by using the rules. For that 2 rules are there. First we will see the first rule. What is the first rule is? Rule 1. The product of integers with same sign negative integer. So first I will take the example, negative 3 multiplied by 2 or positive 2. Then we will get the product is negative integer. 3 2s are 6. So our answer is minus 6. Suppose 5 multiplied by negative 3. So 5 3s are 15. So our product is negative 15. These are the two rules which we are going to use for the multiplication of integer. First one is the product of integer. Its same sign is positive integer. Same sign is both may be positive or both may be negative. At both cases they are giving the product positive. Second rule, the product of integers with a different sign is negative integers. Minus 2 multiplied by plus 2. One is negative, one is positive. That will give us negative integer answer. Then first one 5 multiplied by minus 3. Here first one is a positive number and second one is a negative. So that will give us the negative integers. Now we have completed learning of the multiplication integer. Now we are going to practice set 8. To solve the practice set 8, we have to use this rule which I have taught you. In a practice set 8, question is multiply. First is minus 5 multiplied by minus 7. Here when you are solving, first you see the sign. Both numbers are having the same sign or different sign that you observe. So here both numbers are having the multiply. Before going to do the multiplication, see the sign of the both number. Both number are having the same sign, that is negative. So what's our first rule says that the multiplication of the same sign integer gives us the positive integer. So 5 7s are 35 and that is a positive. Second one, minus 9 multiplied by 6. Here first number is a negative, second number is positive. So both numbers are having the different sign. Different sign means product will be negative. So 9 6 are 54. First you find out the product and give the negative sign. Third one, 9 multiplied by minus 4. Here again both numbers are having the different sign, positive, and here negative. Different sign gives us the negative integers. So 9 4s are 36 and give the negative sign. Then fourth one, 8 multiplied by minus sign. Again both numbers are the different sign. So 8 7s are 56 and negative sign. Next one, fifth one, minus 124 multiplied by minus 1. Here both numbers are having the same sign. 124 is a negative number, 1 is a negative number. Same sign gives us the positive integer. So here positive and multiplication of the 124 multiplied by 1 that is 124. Same. Sixth one, negative 12 multiplied by negative 7. Here both numbers are having the same sign. So our product will be positive. 12 7s are 84 and positive sign. Next one, negative 63 multiplied by negative sign. Here both number, observe the both number, both are the negative, means both are having the same sign. Same sign integers, multiplication gives us positive integers. So put here positive sign, do the multiplication vertically. 7 3s are 21, carry on to 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2 44. So our answer is 441. Whenever needed, you do the multiplication vertically. Then negative 7 multiplied by 15. First number is a negative, second number is a positive, means different sign. Product of the different sign sign integers gives us the negative product. So here negative sign and 15 7s are 105. So our answer is a negative 105. So this is about the practice set A. Now I